Wow, can you believe it's April already? This year is flying by and so are these photography contests. I want to give a huge thank you to everybody that's participating, not only in submitting images, but also in the rating of the images. Incredible help. A huge thanks to Newer for all of these prizes. They've been incredible. Fantastic gifts for photographers or creators, for anybody really. I also want to take a minute to thank all the channel members because you guys are incredibly generous. Thank you so much for your support. If you're new to the channel, my name is Charles Wollertz, this is Wollertz Photography, and here we talk about all things photography, but always with a little bit of stock photography in mind because I think it's a great way to learn and practice. Now, every month, the first Sunday of every month, we run a new photography contest. The prizes are selected randomly and the subject is selected from a list that you can download for free at wollertzphotography.com. Go all the way to the bottom, put your email there. You can opt in and out of the newsletter. You still get access to the list. And it's 20 monthly ideas of things that you can shoot as a stock photographer. Different things. And that is where I'm getting the subjects for these contests because I want you to make more photos that sell. And I've been hearing from a lot of you that are selling pictures that you submitted to the contest. So that makes me feel awesome. Anyway, let's select the prize. What do we have left? This is one of them. It's the HP80C. This is a portable battery-powered cob light, which is incredible. We also have the F700 field monitor, LCD field monitor for photo and video. And we have the Q200 strobe. Indoor, outdoor studio flash, awesome. Now, I forgot my hat, so I got this bag here. That's where the light came in. And to select, I got them all here, to select the price for this particular contest. Here it is. It is the HB80C. I think you can read that. This is the newer HB80C. It has a built-in 72 watt-hour battery, RGB COB LED light, compact 80 watts of power mini RGB light, which means you could get pretty much any color you like out of this light. It has 7 lighting modes and you can get to all of them here from the screen, or you can use the app and connect directly to your phone and control the light from your phone. So much easier. I like the HSI because I can control everything. Look, as I change the color, it changes as on me. I could also dim it. It's got all the way from 0 to 100%. It's got 7 lighting modes and 18 special effects. If you're doing video, you want to get like paparazzi, lightning, fireworks, you can do it. It's got a fan in the back to keep it cool and running smoothly with 3 different fan modes, and a Type-C charger, USB Type-C for fast charging. The max battery life in something like this is 70 minutes, so a little over an hour in regular mode and 94 minutes in mute mode. 90 minutes. It also comes with this hood that helps you direct the light and intensify that light. Or if you don't see this, it is a Bowens mount. So you can add any attachment, any Bowens mount attachment, this lantern softbox I'm using, an umbrella, anything that has a Bowens mount, just clicks on and you're ready to go. Wow, very useful photographer, videographer, anybody that's looking for a portable light. This thing is fantastic, and it comes in this carry case, which is beautiful. Very well designed, and it also comes with this accessory so you can attach it to a light stand. And that also, you can add umbrellas or other modifiers. Anyway, that is the price for this competition, so I hope you're excited because I am thrilled. I've been using it and it is incredible. Now, let's get to this subject or this particular contest. Look, I looked everywhere. I was not sure what to shoot for April, and then I started selling some photos I did a few years ago, and I was like, that's a great idea. So, for this particular month, we're gonna be shooting Ice Cream Month. Now, Ice Cream Month. Okay, here's the thing. For this contest, I want you to sell me ice cream. I want the photo to be like, ooh, I wanna go eat ice cream. Something that is selling it, something that's literally promoting eat ice cream. That's what stock photography is all about. That is the subject, and how you're gonna win this contest is if your photo makes me want to eat some ice cream. How are we going to do this? You could use people, you could use an ice cream maker making ice cream. You can do however you want to do it. That image has to represent, wow, I want to go eat an ice cream. All right, that is the subject. That is the hard thing to do when we're talking about stock photography. It's commercial. We need to sell something. This is a perfect product to try to sell now. Here's the thing, when we're doing ice cream, if you're using people, please remember there's YouTube guidelines, and I don't need any suggestive content, especially if you're using minors or children. Be very careful with the images you upload because I don't want to delete them and disqualify you. So be very careful, make tasteful images, and remember to enjoy your ice cream. Here's another tip that I want to give you. If you're new to the channel, I also have a photography course, complete course, and I have a lesson on food photography. One of the hacks for ice cream is using mashed potatoes. It won't melt, you can put it in a cone, just make sure there's no lumps in it. But if you use mashed potatoes, food coloring, food dyes, you can make the ice cream, photograph it for hours, and it is not going to melt. That's one of the tips you're gonna find in my photography lessons. If you're interested in that, go to wollertzphotography.com, there's more instructions there as well. So for the test shots, I'm gonna be using the newer HB80C, this little mini cob light that's actually very powerful. One of my favorite things about this light is that you can use different modifiers. Having the Bowens mount makes life a lot easier when we're looking for a specific look. Whether you want a harsh light or a diffuse light, it's super easy with the right modifier. The other thing I love is the RGB feature where you can control the colors. Just by changing the color of the background, you can get a completely different look with the same subject without really having to change anything. And yes, this is not real ice cream, these are mashed potatoes. We're gonna continue with the same rules as last month. You can upload up to 3 photos, but only up to 500 images. So you do have 2 weeks to upload, but if those 500 images take the space, then we lost. So that's the limits I'm working with. 2 weeks, up to 500 images, 3 images per person. Those are incredible odds for somebody to take this HB80C home. I gotta tell you, this thing is awesome. You have everything you need. Make images that sell ice cream. Something that's gonna make me wanna be like, ooh, that looks really good. I want some ice cream right now. Now remember, YouTube has nothing to do with this. These are things I have to say in every video. This is a contest, me, Wollertz Photography. The official rules are on the website. There's links down in the video description where you can upload and where you can read the complete set of rules per contest. Nothing to do with YouTube. They're not sponsoring, they're not doing anything. They're just a platform I'm using to host this. Now remember, Newer is also limited as to where they can ship products. It's outside of our hands. There's not much we can do. We have a full list of where we can ship. Now, if you win and you're outside of that area, I'll give you a portfolio review, whether it's your top 10 images, your stock photography portfolio, something to help you in your photography career. So even if you're outside of the shipping area, you can still get something for your images, and you're gonna be selling some of those photos as well. Because trust me, ice cream sells. I've been selling a lot of these images, and that's where I got the idea for this particular contest. So anyway, I hope you're excited. A huge thanks to Newer again, because these prices are really good, and I really hope to see a lot of your images with ice cream. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.